So hello guys, welcome to iTech Hub YouTube channel. So guys, today topic about how to get public profile on Snapchat and also Snapchat subscribe button on your iPhone as well as Android devices. Lot of iPhone and iPad user report to Snapchat public profile option not showing and not working on my Snapchat account in your iPhone as well as Android devices. So guys, lot of user I recommend to Snapchat support report and easy to solve your problems but still cannot come from mail Snapchat support. So I will today show you how to fix this issue on your Snapchat account in your iPhone as well as Android. So guys, please follow the steps and subscribe my channels. So guys, first of all open your Snapchat account, then you can see also left corner profile icon. So please tap on that, then you can see also snap map option in your Snapchat account. Then tap on the three dots and you can see also show my name, add story and share story, but still cannot show public profile option in your iPhone and iPad. So guys, how to report to Snapchat support in your iPhone as well as Android device is same process. So guys, please follow the steps and easy to solve your problems. So guys, lot of iPhone and iPad user report to how to report Snapchat support. So please follow my Instagram ID and also message in my private and also YouTube comment box. I will share you how to message and what do you write in your Snapchat support in your iPhone as well as Android, and easy to mail from the Snapchat support and solve your problems. So guys, please follow the steps and easy to solve your problems. The new trick is how to report Snapchat support in your iPhone as well as Android devices. So guys, first of all open the any browser in your iPhone as well as Android. In any browser you can see also top corner search bar, please search bar search report the Snapchat, then you can see also second option is my Snapchat is not working. So please tap on that, then you can see also another option the spotlight option. So please tap on that, and last option is public profile in your Snapchat. So guys, you can see also many options in Snapchat support. So guys, first option is username. So please enter your correct username. Then second option is email. So please enter your link email by Snapchat and also mobile number link by Snapchat account, and also enter devices like iPhone 7 Plus, 12 Pro. Also, when did you start having this issue, like today, yesterday, and also enter the date in your iPhone as well as Android, and attach the photos. So guys, how to fix this? Attach the photos in your iPhone. So first of all come back in your home screens and open the Snapchat, then you can see also this interface, enter the screenshot and also put on the your Snapchat support in your iPhone as well as Android devices. So guys, you can see also what information should be about the Snapchat account. So guys, what write in this pop-up box, I give you some tips and about some taxes and easy to solve your problems. So guys, please subscribe my channel and screenshot share on my Instagram ID and also comment on the YouTube channel also video and easy to solve your problem. And tap on the send, then you can see also this type mail from the Snapchat and easy to solve your problems, 100% working trick. I also recommend the 10% and easy to get public profile option in your Snapchat account. I hope this video helpful for you. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share.